front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to Calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Calendar by clicking on it. Then tap at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. After that, click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing Event. Then customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Pick starting and ending hour. You can also disable this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. Choose people, location, tap on while using the app, type in an address for example, and click on the correct one. You can also change color and even take notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it and clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes and click on Save. If you wish to delete it though, you can also tap on it, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete, and confirm your choice by tapping on Delete in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!